Soil, the material on the surface of the earth in which plants grow. Decompose, to be slowly destroyed by natural chemical processes. Weed, a plant growing in a place it is not wanted, especially in a garden. Alternating, happening one after the other repeatedly. Layer, a sheet, amount, etc. of a material that covers a surface or sits between surfaces. Spread, to put a substance on an object or surface in an even layer. Composting, how to make your own black gold. Have you ever heard of black gold? No, not oil, but compost. The backyard treasure that brings life to your flowers, reduces waste, and helps protect the planet. Making your own compost is easy. Here are a few tips for getting started. Get a compost bin. You can buy special compost bins, make your own bin from wood, or just use an old plastic box. If you have a garden, put the bin in a shaded area away from too much sun. Experts suggest covering the bin to stop it from getting too wet and to help it keep the heat in. The compost will decompose faster when it's covered. If you don't have a garden, you could put a small bin under the sink. Organize your waste. Not all waste can be used for compost. Don't put in things like oil, meat, milk, or cooked foods. These will attract rats. Things like banana peels, tea bags, and the tops of carrots and strawberries are all good. These things, as well as old plants, flowers, grass, and weeds from the garden, are called green waste. You should also collect old newspapers and cardboard, as well as straw and old leaves. This is all brown waste. Layer it. You should put the green and brown waste in alternating layers, with a little more brown than green. And smaller pieces are always better. These will decompose faster. Help the compost decompose by turning it over with a fork once every 1 or 2 weeks to allow air to move around. Use it. It might be a few months before your compost is ready. That's when it's dark brown and looks and feels more like soil. Then you can spread it over the soil in your garden to keep the ground healthy and help plants grow, or share it with friends and neighbors.